Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to create shorts or reels in CapCut. So let me just import all the images I have downloaded from websites. I have write down some motivational line like be positive, be yourself, be grateful, be kind, brave and leader. So be positive, let me just add it. Be positive. Okay, let me just I want AI voice for this. So to do this, let me add a text, and I will go to the text to speech here, and I will add a be positive here, paste it, and then go for storyteller.
Be positive.
Okay, and now let's generate speech. Be positive. Be positive.
Be positive.
Okay, so just from here, and then go for the next one. Be yourself. Copy, Control C, and then Control V, and then text to speech. Select
Be yourself.
storyteller
yourself.
mail, then select on generate space.
Be yourself.
Be yourself. Okay, so select it and just from here to here. Okay, and then go for the next one. Be grateful. Control C, Control V, and then go to text to speech. Select storyteller mail, then select on generate speech.
Be grateful.
Be grateful. Okay, and then next one, be kind. Text to space.
Be kind.
Be kind. And then go for be brave.
Be positive. Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be brave. Be a leader.
Okay, now we'll add the image according to the voice.
Be positive.
Be positive. Be positive. Let's add this one. Okay, as it is reels or as it is reel or short video, so you have to use short format, and short formats are 1:1 ratio, 3:4, or either you go with 9:16. So let me go with 1:1 ratio, and I will increase the size.
Be positive.
Okay, then
Be yourself.
yourself. Let's go here, and like this.
Be grateful.
Be grateful. Be grateful though. Okay, so be grateful should be this one.
Be kind.
Be kind should be this one. Let's increase the size.
Be
Okay, and
kind. Be brave.
be brave, this one.
Be a leader.
Be a leader, this one. Now I will add animation. Select it and go for animation. You can add in animation and out animation, or you can go with combo.
Be positive. Be positive. Be positive.
Yeah, and then
Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be brave. Be a leader. Be a leader.
okay. Now you can add some filter.
Be positive. Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be positive. Be yourself. Be Be positive. Be yourself. Be
Oh my
grateful.
god,
Be
sorry,
kind.
not this one. I think we should go with this one.
Be brave. Be a leader. Be brave.
Okay, this one is good.
Be positive. Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be brave. Be a leader.
Okay, that's great. Now if you want to add text, if now if you want to add auto caption, so to do this, just select all the audio and then go for caption, and then select the language. So as it is English, so I have select here English, as you can see, and now I will click on generate. It will generate auto caption, and after that, when it generate the auto caption, I will change the template by clicking here and then
Be
select
kind.
this one. I think
Be kind. Be kind.
yeah, this one is good. Now let's go with it, and maybe you can increase the size of the text. Now let's go and check how it's look like.
Be positive. Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be brave. Be a leader.
Oh, nice. So this is how you can create reels or shorts for your YouTube videos or Instagram post. You can add music. I'm not going to do this. Okay, so that's it. And now just you have to create okay, I'm sorry, now you have to just export the video. Select export. You can rename it from here, reel. Just click on export.
Be positive.
Now let's go and check.
Be positive. Be yourself. Be grateful. Be kind. Be brave. Be a leader.
Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe the channel, please.